In this video, you'll learn how to accept all suggested edits at once in Google Docs. This is really useful if you've finished reviewing a document, you're happy with all the changes that have been suggested, and you just want to quickly apply them without clicking through each one individually. Let's start with a bit of context so you know exactly what we're working with. In Google Docs, suggested edits are changes that someone has made in suggesting mode. Instead of immediately changing the document, those suggestions appear in a different color with a small comment-style box on the side. You can normally accept or reject each one individually, but when there are dozens or even hundreds, that can be time-consuming. That's where accepting all suggested edits at once comes in. First, make sure your document is open in Google Docs in your web browser. You'll need to be signed in with an account that has permission to edit the document. If you can already see suggested changes in the text, like highlighted words or crossed out phrases with new text next to them, you're in the right place. Now look toward the top of the screen at the main menu bar that runs horizontally across your document. You'll see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. What you're looking for is the menu labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on Tools. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to spelling, word count, citations, and more. In that Tools menu, find and click on the option called Review Suggested Edits. This is the feature specifically designed to help you manage all the suggested changes in your document in one place. When you click it, a panel or dialog box will open, usually near the top or on the side of your document, showing controls related to those suggestions. Inside this review area, you'll see different ways to handle the edits. Since our goal is to accept everything at once, look for the button labeled Accept All. This is the command that will apply every single suggested edit in the document in one action. Before you click it, take a moment and be sure you really do want to accept all the suggestions. Once you apply them, all the proposed changes will become part of the main text. If there are any suggestions you're unsure about, you may want to quickly scan through the document first and manually reject anything you don't want to keep. You can always use the regular undo shortcut if you change your mind immediately after, but it's good practice to double check first. When you're ready, click Accept All. Google Docs will then go through the document and apply every suggested edit. All the colored suggestion marks and side indicators will disappear, leaving you with a clean, updated version of the document that includes every accepted change. After that, take a quick look through your document from top to bottom. This final review helps you catch anything that might look odd once all the edits have been merged into the main text. If everything looks good, you're done. You've successfully accepted all suggested edits at once in Google Docs, saving yourself a lot of time and repetitive clicking.